Nako. Payo ko kay Ombudsman Remulla, kung nakikinig ka, magtrabaho ka, tigilan mo ang halos araw-araw na press con. Yun din yung nireklamo ko nung una, di ba? Bakit ka lagi nagpa-press con? Ombudsman ka eh. First time kasi nagkaroon ng politikong ombudsman. Naguguluhan siya, ano ba ako? Celebrity politician o ombudsman? Hindi ba ganyan pagkakasabi? Baka yung pagkakasabi ko lang. Jesse, baka naman yung tono ko lang, yung hindi mo gusto. Payo ko kay Ombudsman Remulla, kung nakikinig ka, magtrabaho ka. Mukhang hindi pa rin eh, kahit maganda yung celebrity politician. Kasi ombudsman tapos politician, di ba? O yung celebrity politician yon, case of first impression eh. Biro mo, hindi mo alam ang proseso sa isang kaso. Kaya kung minsan nagmumukhang tanga yung ombudsman.
I am reading your statement, which you sent to us yesterday. You said that the Senator Joel Villanueva, filed a timely motion for reconsideration, which in 2019 you granted and reversed the decision during the Carpio Morales era. Let's zero in on that first. How would you define the timeliness of the MR filed?
Yan.
What is your definition of it being timely, former ombudsman?
Well, a motion for reconsideration is considered timely filed if it is filed within the 15-day period that is provided for by the rules of the Office of the Ombudsman. So any motion for reconsideration that is filed out of time is considered as is denied by the Office of the Ombudsman.
When did the senator file his MR in 2016?
You know, this is a 2019 decision that I made. This is a 2016 case. I don't remember anymore the details. All I remember is that I approved or I granted a motion for reconsideration filed by Senator Joel Villanueva and some other persons, other respondents in the case. That is all that I remember. On the details of the dates, I don't remember, except that I remember that the decision granting the MR was sometime in 2019, July of 2019, I think.
But if you cannot remember the details, why then did you say that he filed a timely motion for MR?
No, teka, wait. Hindi mo naman kailangan alamin lahat ng detalye para malaman mong timely. Ang kailangan mo lang malaman is yung sarili mo. Teka lang. Parang ganito. Alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako nagke-claim ng absolute truth. Hindi ko kailangan alamin yung detalye nung content ko, kung ano man yung ituro mo na nag-claim ako ng absolute truth, kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako nagke-claim ng absolute truth. Kailangan ko bang malaman yung detalye ng content ko tinutukoy mo? Hindi ko kailangan malaman yon. Alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko yun ginagawa. Kaya hindi ko kailangan malaman yung detalye. Kasi internal. Sa mga taong istrikto doon sa mga ginagawa nila, alam nila sa sarili nila na hindi nila gagawin yon. Hindi nila papayagan yung outside. Pwede mangyari na hindi mo alam yung detalye, pero alam mong timely yun. Bakit? Kasi you know yourself. Alam ko, gagamitin to ng mga logical na tao. Sabihin, paano mo nalaman na timely kung di mo pala alam yung buong detalye, yung detalye ng kaso. Hindi ko kailangan malaman yung detalye ng kaso. Kasi kilala ko yung sarili ko. Natawa talaga ako sa tanong na yun. Diba? Nasa sistema mo na yun. Kaya nga, diba? Katulad sa sabi ko, hindi ako nagkiklaim ng absolute truth. Kapag may nag-claim sa akin na daw ng absolute truth, na sinasabi ko, nag-claim ako ng absolute truth, sabi ko, magbigay ka kahit saan. Maghanap ka. Saan ko sinabi yon? Alam ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako nag-claim ng absolute truth. Kaya maghanap ka. Kilala ko sarili ko. Hindi ako mag-claim ng absolute truth. May sinusunod silang rules, hindi nila di-dismiss yun kung wala oras ang pasa ng MR. Oo! Kumbaga, ang burden of proof na nun, sa inyo, patunayan nyo na hindi timely yon. Kasi presumption of regularity, di ba? Ito yung sagot niya.
Because we are not that crazy, we are not stupid to be granting an MR that is filed out of time.
Exactly. Dahil dun pa lang tapos na usapan. Sabi ko sa'yo, internal yan, alam nila, they're not crazy, they're not stupid to actually grant it. May paper trail yan eh.
Investigators itself will recommend for the denial of the MR if the MR is filed out of time. We have time frames to follow. In much the same way that under the rules of court, motions before the court have timelines also. You have to file this within a certain period. So I am very sure that this was the motion for reconsideration was timely filed by Senator Villanueva.
All right.
I'm
But
sorry
that's...
to
Tama, wala na debunk, di ba? May presumption of regularity eh. Okay, if that's your claim, then prove it. Nasaan? Bakit baliktad? Bakit assume na kagad na totoo yung sinasabi nyo? Ba't alam nyo rin ba yung detalye? Ganun lang yan eh. Alam nyo ba yung detalye? O hindi? So paano nyo nalaman na hindi timely? Nagigets nyo, parehas lang yun eh. Pero kilala ko yung sarili ko. Hindi ako magkiklaim na absolute truth. Hindi mo rin alam, hindi mo napanood. Kung hindi mo napanood, di ko rin napanood yung content na sinasabi mo, pero I'm sure of myself. Alam ko hindi ko i-claim yun. So ngayon, kung sinasabi mo, na-claim ko yun, nasa iyo burden of proof, wala sa akin.